What's going on, everybody? Welcome to early May, and we are reviewing the brand new Yamaha JetBlaster Pro. It is about time I got on the 2025. Now, I purchased this, and this is going to be a God's honest review. I'm going to be able to name drop everything, talk smack about it, and hype it up, not just be positive, because I'm buying this with my own money. I'm not sponsored by Yamaha. I'm not gagged by anybody. And this is the way I like it. I would rather have you guys watch the video raw and just hear my thoughts about it. So far, I'm okay with the color. It's not too bad. It's a throwback a little bit. It does remind me of the older jet skis, and there's nothing wrong with that. It's actually a really nice looking ski. However, I have seen some concerning quality issues so far, like the seat and other things that I've outlined in a live before. But we're gonna get this on the water for the first time, and we're gonna see how this thing works. Let's get her out. All right, here we go. We're gonna get this thing out. Oh. I pushed it onto the grassy area because this launch is actually up about 6 or 7 feet right now. All right, let's get on. This ski is bigger right away than the Sea-Doo Spark Tricks. There we go, keys in. All right, here we go. This screen is nicer than the Sea-Doo. The handlebars are much wider than I like. The footwells are wider apart than the Sea-Doo Spark Tricks. Now, this is the first time I'm on this ski, so you guys are seeing it for the first time. Now, I've been on the 2022. I didn't care for it. It was too heavy. This one has a poly hole like the Sea-Doo and the TR1 motor like the old one. This reminds me nothing of the old skis. I'm telling you. I'm gonna let this thing warm up for a little bit. All right. Just gonna get it a little bit further awake. All right, let's trim it up. Gonna get the oil spinning around for a little while. Holy moly. Oh, that is not pleasant. Woo! Cold weather today. All right, let's bring the trim back down. Oh, it is fast. Whoa! It is tight. Whoa! All right, let's hit the brake. The brakes isn't as good as the Sea-Doo Spark Tricks. It has got a better hold shot for sure. It's faster. Top speed. Looking at 53, 54. We're going to try it on the way back. I don't got a lot of gas, so we're just doing a real quick. All right, let's get away from the chop. 54. 54 miles an hour. Top speed, 54 miles an hour, right away, faster than the Tricks. It is a lot heavier, but boy, if we stand on the rear footwells, it is more rowdy for sure. It doesn't have the same lift as the Sea-Doo Spark Tricks, but it is more rowdy. All right, it is harder to get it up in the air for sure. Oh. Woo. Nice and cold. All right. Back on my bearings here. Boy, it's cold out. We're in early May. This ice probably thawed, I don't know, a month ago. So it's cold. All right. This is more rowdy than the Sea-Doo. Let's hit the Rooster Tail. I'm going to show you that Rooster Tail. This is more tight than the Sea-Doo. Here's that Rooster Tail. It is. There's no playing around with this. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay. It is tight. Tight. That's the way I could describe the ski. Very tight. Oh, here we go. Oh my God. You have to be exact. There's the pisser. All right, running out of gas. All right, we're gonna calm down here for a second. We're gonna give you some thoughts. Let's kill this. So, I launched myself into the water. As y'all probably saw there, I went flying into water. And the reason is, this thing's steering is precise. It is precise. By what I mean by that is you turn the slightest bit and you turn. You turn the slightest bit right and you turn. This ski is no joke when it comes to handling. This is going to eat the tricks for breakfast in races. This TR1 motor is very powerful. This ski is a little bit heavier than the tricks, for sure. Now, what it lacks in the weight department, it makes up in the power department. It's like a fully built Sea-Doo Spark Tricks, but heavier. Also, when you jump out of the water, this thing smashes with the poly hole and the fiberglass lower hole. You feel everything. It is not a pleasant hit. So, yeah, I mean, I'm actually enjoying this. It is not by any means a 90s ski or a throwback to the 90s skis. This is a different class. This is going to be a race ski in the future for sure. For sure. So those are my thoughts on this initially. This is quick. It's a Yamaha. And whether I like it more than the tricks will come up in the next videos. We'll do direct head-to-heads with speed, acceleration, handling. We're gonna do everything in the upcoming videos. But this is the first of many with the Yamaha JetBlaster Pro. And leave comments below what you want to see with this. If you want to see a head-to-head on a upgraded tricks, a completely stock tricks, because I have some stuff planned in the future for the 2023 Sea-Doo Spark Tricks as well. The 3-up tricks and the 3-up JetBlaster. There is no difference between the 2-up JetBlaster and the 3-up JetBlaster other than the seat and these things right here, mirrors. So stay tuned for the next few videos coming up on this, and I can't wait to showcase more. I'm excited, guys, and I hope you are too. See you in the next one.